going to make corn souffle, 1 box of Jiffy, 1 whole corn drained, 1 cream of corn, 1 cup sour cream, and 1 cup of cheese. I'm going to use this because I want to finish it. 1 cup inside, and then the other cup is the outside. I'm rushing. You need to, I shouldn't have cleaned the house and do this. Spray your pan, an 8x8 pan, 350 degrees for 45 minutes. So it's 2 kinds of corn, 1 cream, 1 regular. And then we put the other cup, so you use 2 cups of cheese, we put the other cup on top and bake for 45 minutes. And this is what you're going to take to Christmas